you can put a large hairnet over it and get any stragglers you missed. I do this in 2 stages because I don't want the hairnet on the beard before the hairspray sets, in case it condenses the hair back together and squishes the beard smaller than I'd like it. I just spent so long creating that volume, I want to have 1 coat of hairspray, let it set, and then gather in all the stragglers and then hairspray them to the nice bushiness I've just created. Now you can store that in a cool, dry place until you're ready to wear it. Remember, if you use water to assist you, the curls you've created with heated curlers will relax. Using too much hairspray will result in little white clumps as well. Be smart in what you use and practice styling during the off-season so that you're very much prepared for the season when it does come. You'll know how to style, you'll know how to be like, oh, we need to do this, we need to do that. You'll be able to work backwards from problems and be able to get the look that you so desire.